Hello, my name is Kathy Muha, and I'm the Vice Chair of the Fairfax Commission on Aging. I'm excited to tell you about an upcoming survey to find out what it is like to be an older adult in the Fairfax area. The Community Assessment Survey for older adults will be sent to a random sample of adults ages 50 and older in Fairfax County, the City of Fairfax, and the City of Falls Church in February. If you're selected, you will receive a postcard to let you know you will soon receive the survey in the mail. The survey will help the county and the cities learn more about the experience of aging in our area. Your responses will help inform the Shape the Future of Aging plan so that services and programs will better meet the needs of older adults. The survey will ask questions about lifestyle, perceptions, and access to services and programs older adults need in order to live in a more age-friendly community. If you receive the survey, please participate. If you need assistance with the survey, please call 703-324-7948. For anyone who does not receive the survey, there will be an opportunity to provide input during community focus groups scheduled for later in the year. Make sure your thoughts and insights are considered as plans are made for the future of aging in the Fairfax area. Please be sure to complete the survey if you receive it. Thank you.